the Philippine Navy deployed several warships to support efforts in ensuring the safety and credibility of the 2025 national and local elections in the southern provinces of Sulu and Basilan. Under the operational control of Joint Task Force Orion, JTFO, vessels including BRP General Mariano Alvarez, PS 176, BRP 1 Magluyan, PC 392, and Boat Attack 485, carrying Navy SEALs, have been assigned to secure their respective maritime areas. The deployment is part of a broader strategy to maintain peace and security throughout the electoral process. The deployment also highlights the Navy's crucial role in enhancing mobility and providing logistical support, particularly in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas within the JTFO's area of responsibility in western Mindanao, the Philippine Navy said. The strategic deployment aims to deter potential threats and ensure a stable environment as voters head to the polls.